Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. What we have for sale today is a 1993 Johnson 90 horse. This is a 2-stroke 20-inch remote. This one will come with a prop that is on it. It'll come with a good used side mount control box with a key switch in the box. If you don't need a control box, just let me know. We'll compensate on the price or figure something out there. This one came back with 115, 115, 125, and 125 PSI. Once again, within that 10% range. Lower unit pressure tested good. Let's see here, new spark plugs, new impeller, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, and the carburetors have been pulled off and cleaned. I'll go ahead and fire this one up here. Get too many control boxes, not sure which one to grab anymore. I am going to turn on the fan, 2-stroke garage fan. Got it pumping good water here. Go ahead and put it forward. You can pull it off of there. Got something on the back of the tank that was kind of rattling towards the tank. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Shut the fan off here quick. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. You can also see it on our website at bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.